than usual, which is cool. Now, speaking of planes, this is a real ugly look right here. That right there is the world's largest airplane, the Antonov AN-225, and it has been destroyed, obviously, in the conflict over there. And the airports have become a big
target,
sort of battleground and target, right, in and out.
Yep.
You try to take control of the airports, communications, government facilities, things like this. Now, this plane is sort of like a pride of Ukraine. It's like a symbol of an achievement.
Okay.
And so this is especially, there's not many of these things. And so it's especially negative image. So Russia aired the video. And in Russia's version, I believe they said that Ukraine did the damage.
I was just going to say, why would they air it?
Russian state TV sought to blame Ukraine for its destruction, despite evidence to the contrary. You own the channel, Mo.
Yeah, I know.
Mo, if you own the channel...
You're right.
Video broadcast by Russian state TV showed the mangled wreckage of the Antonov. Footage of the ruined Ukrainian plane jet was shown Friday on Channel 1 and then shared on Western social media. The name of the plane means dream. And then actually the maker of the plane replied to some of the tweets being like, oh man, really? It's like 1 million parts in there. You know how long that took us to put together? And you guys just with a bomb, like for real? That's what we're doing?
It's huge too.
That's what we're doing now? All right, Mo, I want you to take a crack since you're amazing at this.
Okay.
And this is people's favorite part of the show. We're going to play Guess the Value. Because you were so...
I know.
No. Hey.
No, I messed up so bad last time.
Hey.
All right.
Don't be so hard on yourself, Mo.
Ooh. I don't know how much things cost.
Guess that price. How much for an Antonov? And you best not be scrolling too much there, Will.
Okay, I'm going to guess it's got to be more than a soccer team. So I'm going to say it's in the...
That's not just any soccer team, Mo.
I know, Chelsea. But...
So you better, as well, you're offending people now.
Right.
First of all, it's a club. Okay? Which is beyond a team.
Right. I'm gonna put my guess out there and say it's around $5 billion.
$5 billion! Woohoo!
All right, so where are we at?
It's not bad. It's actually not bad. Will wasn't going to go with you.
I thought that was extremely high, but it's the biggest plane.
It's I mean, yeah. So I think.
Wait, hold on. Just.
He doesn't even want to let people know the answer yet.
This plane was in a hangar. No.
Yeah.
How did it get bombed? Like from up top?
Maybe a tank.
I mean, look at the roof on that thing. It's kind of damaged itself, isn't it? There's a lot of problems here. Yeah. I mean, it could be as simple as some forces standing behind it, like has an the
opening from the
back to front, and then a rocket targeting a vehicle on the other side, or a tank shell. So, I mean, there's a lot of bombing going on.
Okay, yeah. I was just curious.
Yeah. Anyway, I think the price is down here at the bottom somewhere. Let's reveal it for Mo. He said $5 billion, and the actual price is, ladies and gentlemen, Will's scrolling is not up to the standard we need here.
The drum roll.
$3 billion. There you go. Same with Chelsea.
Same with Chelsea. So it's either this.
$3 billion.
You get to have that or Chelsea. What's it going to be? Although some people have said now that that's overpriced for Chelsea, and they're thinking more like 2.5. And obviously, I don't know, but what a crazy scene this is, man! It's just like, oh my goodness gracious!
Yeah,
just $3 billion gone like that, like one rocket. What's the rocket worth? A couple $100. Yeah, I mean, maybe it's more than one rocket to hit it. Look at that thing's like melted right down. You're not repairing it. But like one shell, what is one of those shells worth? And then you destroy $3 billion. God, the destruction. The destruction. And then it's so easy to, let me tell you something, Mo.
So easy to break something?
You got the building blocks. Young Mo, he's in the preschool. He's got the building blocks. He's out over there. It's intricate. It's beautiful. He's got like little towers to the side. He's got one big stack in the middle.
Lose missile comes in?
No. That's not bad. It kind of sound like cruise missile, but no. Definitely not me. But, somebody comes along, right?
Okay.
They're not a big Mo fan for whatever reason, because Mo's getting all the attention. Everybody's sitting there. They're like, these are beautiful buildings. All the girls and everything. They're like, preschool Mo. They're like, wow, you're a master at this.
Yeah, I'm architect, right?
Dude looks across. He goes, who the hell does this guy think he is? Building all these things. He just walks over, kicks it over, right? It's all shattered on the ground. He smacks you right in the ear.
Oh, he smacks me too?
Yeah, he does.
Wow.
And then your thing is in shambles, and you're like, wow.
That was $3 billion.
That took me 3 days to perfect. And in a matter of seconds, you destroyed that. You turned that into a wreckage. And it's hard to build things. It's easy to break them.
Matter of seconds.